Welcome back, viewers. We have breaking news coming in. Virat Kohli has stepped down as India's Test team captain. This is the breaking update. Virat Kohli is no longer going to be India's captain in Test matches. This comes right on the back of the team's three-match Test series against South Africa, which ended in a 2-1 loss. Virat Kohli has posted two paragraphs of his reasons why. He said, it's been 7 years of hard work, toil and relentless perseverance every day to take the team in the right direction. I've done the job with absolute honesty and left nothing out there. Everything has to come to a halt at some stage, and for me as Test captain of India, it's now. There have been many ups and also some downs along the journey, but never has there been a lack of effort or lack of belief. I've always believed in giving my 120% in everything I do, and if I can't do that, I know it's not the right thing to do. I have absolutely clarity in my heart and cannot be dishonest to my team. He continues, I want to thank the BCCI for giving me the opportunity to lead my country for such a long period of time, and more importantly, to all the teammates who bought into the vision I had for the team from day one and never gave up in any situation. You guys have made this journey so memorable and beautiful. To Ravi Bhai and the support group who were the engine behind this vehicle that moved us upwards in Test cricket consistently, you all have played a massive role in bringing us this vision to life. Lastly, a big thank you to MS Dhoni, who believed in me as a captain and found me to be an able individual who could take Indian cricket forward. So this is the statement of Virat Kohli. He has stepped down as India's Test team captain after 7 years. He has quite a stellar record as India's Test team captain, and I can also tell you he had stepped down the similar way as India's T20 captain. Then he was removed as ODI captain, and this time I think to avoid any controversy, the BCCI has responded to him immediately, and the BCCI has tweeted that it congratulates Team India captain Virat Kohli for his admirable leadership qualities that took the Test team to unprecedented heights. He led India in 68 matches and has been the most successful captain with 40 wins. So that is the response of the BCCI to this statement. Niranjan, Virat Kohli has stepped down as India's Test team captain. After 7 years, the BCCI has also responded to him. What do you make of Virat Kohli's post, Niranjan?
Yeah, it's very interesting. Also, Ankit, it's come so sudden. I don't know whether he had planned this, but let me go across to Chandrasekhar Luthra joining us on the phone line. Mr. Luthra, are you surprised with his decision to step down? He's been one of India's most successful, if not the most successful Indian Test captain.
I think no surprise. I always knew that he has to go after this series. It was only obviously they have announced Virat before this, before all the controversy happened, and that day he took out all his frustration, before the media against Sourav Ganguly. I also wrote in one of my columns that this is the end of Virat Kohli's era, and this is I would say this is a very, very right decision from Virat Kohli, because if he had not done this, obviously he would have been just asked or thrown out of the Test captaincy. So I think a right decision and a very well-timed decision by Virat.
And how do you look back at his Test record? Mr. Luthra, how would you look back at his record?
Well, your record is as good or as bad as your team is. Virat obviously got a good team when he became captain. It was obviously Dhoni, when Dhoni stepped down from captaincy in 2015, earlier 2015 in January in Australia. So he got that team, and it was a pretty good team, I would say. And he made full use of that, and especially his own form. He was in such a Midas touch that during first 5 years of his captaincy, he scored almost 30 centuries.
Just be with me, Mr. Luthra, because I have the BCCI treasurer. I have the BCCI